Today, graphing quadratics. We're finding the parabola's heart, its mirror line, and how to slide it anywhere on the map. By the end, you'll graph one in your sleep. Let's ride! Quick recall. Every quadratic draws a parabola, that big U. Today, we control it. And the secret weapon is something called vertex form. It's written y equals a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. Why is it magic? 'Cause the vertex, the tip of the U, the single most important point, is sitting right there out in the open. It's the point h comma k. Read it straight off. No work at all. But here's the trap that bites every greenhorn. That h comes with a minus built in. So x minus 3 means h is positive 3. Shift right. And x plus 3? That's h equals negative 3. Shift left. The sign flips on ya. Inside the parentheses, everything runs backwards. Miss that, and your whole graph ends up on the wrong side of town. The k, at least, plays fair. Plus k shifts up, minus k shifts down. No tricks there. And the a out front, same as ever. Positive opens up, negative flips it into a frown. Big A skinny, little a wide. One more tool, the axis of symmetry. That mirror line straight down through the vertex is just the vertical line x equals h. Folds the parabola into two perfect halves. Now, most quadratics show up in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c, not vertex form. So how do you find the vertex then? One formula, burn it in. The x of the vertex is negative b over 2a. Find it, plug it back in for y, and there's your vertex. Write it on your hand if your brain's a sieve. Enough John, let's work. Reading vertex form, easiest points y'all ever score. Y equals the quantity x minus 3 squared plus 2. Vertex, h is 3, k is 2. 3, 2. Opens up, done. If that one strained ya, we got problems. Y equals negative the quantity x plus 1 squared plus 4. Watch them signs. X plus 1 means h is negative 1. K is 4. Vertex, negative 1, 4. And that negative out front opens down. Y equals 2, the quantity x minus 1 squared, minus 3. Vertex, 1, negative 3. The 2 makes her skinny, opens up. Now transformations. From plain y equals x squared. Y equals the quantity x minus 4 squared, shifts right 4. Not left, right. I'll keep saying it till it sticks. Y equals x squared plus 3, up 3. Y equals negative x squared, flips clean upside down. Y equals the quantity x plus 2 squared, minus 5. Left 2, down 5. Now the real skill, digging the vertex out of standard form. Y equals x squared minus 6x plus 5. X of the vertex is negative b over 2a. That's negative 6 over 2, which is 3. Plug 3 back in. 9 minus 18 plus 5, negative 4. Vertex 3, negative 4. Axis of symmetry, x equals 3, opens up. And the y-intercept is just the c, 5. 4 facts, whole graph, one with a negative leader. Y equals negative 2x squared plus 12x minus 13. X of the vertex, negative 12 over 2 times negative 2. Negative 12 over negative 4, 3. Plug in. Negative 2 times 9 plus 36 minus 13. That's negative 18 plus 36 minus 13, 5. Vertex 3, 5, opens down. So that vertex is a maximum, the highest point on the whole curve. Hold that thought. It matters big next episode. And a little secret. Remember completing the square? Do that to a standard quadratic and it turns straight into vertex form. Same vertex, 2 roads there. So, vertex form hands you the vertex free. H, k, just mind the flipped sign on h. Standard form, vertex x is negative b over 2a. Plug back for y. Axis of symmetry runs through the vertex. and A sets direction and width. That's the entire graph. Your turn, hotshot. I made these mean. Pose, pause, solve. Then I grade you. 1. What's the vertex of y equals the quantity x minus 2 squared plus 5? 2, 5. Read it right off. H2, K5. 2. Y equals the quantity x plus 3 squared minus 1. Where's the vertex, and does it open up or down? Vertex -3, -1. That plus 3 flips to left 3, and it opens up. 3. Starting from y equals x squared, what does y equals the quantity x minus 5 squared do? Shifts it right 5. Said left, go stand in the rain and think about it. 4. Vertex of y equals x squared minus 8x plus 10. 4, -6. X is negative b over 2a, 8 over 2. 4. Plug in. 16 minus 32 plus 10, -6. 5. Harder. Vertex of y equals 2x squared plus 4x minus 1. -1, -3. X is -4 over 4, -1. Plug in. 2 minus 4 minus 1, -3. 6. The beast. Vertex of y equals -3x squared plus 6x plus 2. And is it a max or a min? 1, 5. And it's a maximum. X is -6 over -6. 1. Plug in. -3 plus 6 plus 2. 5. Opens down, so the vertex sits on top. Nailed the beast? Maybe you can read a map after all. Botched the signs? Garbage mind, partner. -b over 2a. Run it back. See ya down the trail.